Hi everyone, this is question 2 on paper 1 from 2022 for Edexcel, and we've got a factor theorem question. So what does it say? It says f of x is equal to x minus 4 times x squared minus 3x add k minus 42, where k is a constant. Given that x add 2 is a factor, find the value of k. So super nice question here. All we've got to do for this one is, if it's the case that x add 2 is a factor, then that means that f of minus 2 is going to equal 0. So we're just going to put minus 2 into our expression. So we get minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 squared minus 3 times minus 2 add k minus 42. There's only one unknown in this equation. So we can just work it out now, expand it. And that gives us minus 6 times 10 is minus 60, minus 6 times k is minus 6k minus 42. Get all the numbers over one side and then divide it, and we find out that k is equal to 17. Wow, that was a really nice straightforward question. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.